Want to survive the night shift from Freddy and his friends on your PS5? Let's get started. First, power on your PS5 and navigate to the PlayStation Store icon on the main menu. It looks like a shopping bag. Once in the store, head up to the search bar at the top of the screen. Use your controller to select the search option. Type in Five Nights at Freddy's. Several FNAF games are available, but for this example, let's select Five Nights at Freddy's. Security Breach. Scroll down to find the price and the Add to Cart or Buy button. If you haven't purchased the game, select Buy. If you have, it will say Download. After purchasing, the game will automatically begin downloading. You can check the download progress in the Downloads section of your PS5 menu. Once the download is complete, the game icon will appear on your PS5 home screen. Simply select it with your controller. Now, get ready to face Freddy Fazbear and his animatronic crew in stunning PS5 graphics. Good luck, and try not to get jump scared.